Hello guys, welcome once again and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will be showing you how you can add Webhook URL to your ShipRocket account. Most of the people must be facing the same issue what I am facing right now. Let me just show you. So guys, if I have already added the URL and when I click on test Webhook, it says address not allowed. If I change anything, it doesn't takes the URL. So for that what you have to do is let's get started with the video.
Hey guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update.
So guys, first of all, you have to see the documentation. As in documentation, it says that if we go to webhooks, here it says please refrain from using keywords like shiprocket, cartrocket, like this. You can't use in the web URL. But the thing is, I've already created a shiprocket controller which all have all the functions, and you can see here I've already added a shiprocket, and so for that what I have to do is I'll have to move this code to some other controller, which is I've already created another controller I will be using the same controller. Let me just show you. I'll just paste the code here, and instead of post I will just make it a shipment webhook, because this is CI controller and there I was using my REST API controller. So you guys can see here. So now what you have to do is you have to just save it, and just check that if you are using any, if you have used you're converting your post data into any of the global variables, then you have to change it. I was using post, so what you have to do is here you have to take the post data as here, and don't forget to encode. If you are storing the response somewhere, rest everything is okay. Here I'll just load my models, required models here. So one is shipment model and the other one is store model. So it should work now. So let me just push it to the server, and so guys, I have pushed it. Now I will change the URL, and let me just go back, and here I will be changing the path. Instead of shiprocket I will be using main, and this is the function name, and let me just test it, and boom, guys, it works. So in this way you can fix your problem. That's all in today's video. Thanks for watching this video guys, and bye for now.